Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a brand new 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. This is the new body style boat that Sea Ray just rolled out. For power, you see we set this boat up with this V6 200 horsepower Mercury in white. The boat also has a white hull with a black rub rail. You'll see that in the photos. It has the stone interior package, which is the light gray with the darker trim. Nice gray SeaDek magnet across the swim platform, walk through and all the way through the cockpit of the boat, which really ties in nice together. You have your ski pylon option here at the transom. Nice big sun pad across the back of the boat. As we step into the boat, you have a nice high back support with L-shaped seating. We have the black sports tower with integrated bimini top. This back seat and sun pad does open up for really easy access to your bilge, plenty of space to work down there. And that is gas strut assisted for ease of use. On the helm seat side, we have an individual captain's chair with flip-up bolster, tilt wheel at the helm, your Simrad GPS, Fusion stereo that is Bluetooth. The Mercury 200 V6 is going to be digital throttle and shift. On the port side, the companion seat is adjustable, so this will lift up and give you an aft-facing lounger or back to give you a forward-facing seat. You have a lockable glove box here. One of the new features about the redesign went back to the curved windshield with a little bit of added height for wind protection there. Another great feature or addition on the new body style is this insertable backrest here to give you a full sun lounger up in the bow of the boat. And that does slide out and store. This has the bow filler cushion option in it that is removable. Two nice full-length loungers here at the bow of the boat. Stainless steel grab handles, nice vinyl inlays, and you do have an anchor locker designated up in the bow of the boat as well. That's a real quick look at the new Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. If you'd like some more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.